Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial I want to crochet a little sprout on a paper clip. This is a no-sew crochet project and this is not for absolute beginners, so if you are an absolute beginner, check this playlist that you see in here or here. So you can start crocheting, then you can come right here and watch this tutorial. Let's go! So to crochet this sprout clip, you can use any clip that you want. There are different kinds of clip. If you are using this clip, you need to make them separated from each other like this and crochet on one side. I'm going to crochet on this clip. So first of all, you need one slip knot like this. Now I need the clip. I want to crochet on top of the clip, so I'm going to insert my hook, grab the yarn, make 2 loops, and make 1 single crochet. Again, 2 single crochets. Again, 3 single crochets. Now I want to chain 1 and turn my work. In the first stitch, 1 single crochet, and in the next one, 1 single crochet. Don't do a single crochet inside of the last one. Now I want to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now in the second chain from the hook, I want to do 1 single crochet like this. In the next one, 1 half double crochet. In the next one, I want to do 2 double crochets like that. So 1 double crochet, and again inside of the same stitch, the same chain, another double crochet. Now again in the next one, 1 half double crochet, and in the next one, 1 single crochet. Now I want to chain 2, 1 and 2. I'm going to turn my work. Now I want to crochet on the other side of the chains. So this is going to be the first chain. I'm going to do 1 single crochet inside of it. This is how I insert my hook. See, 1 loop on my hook. Pull through and make 1 single crochet. This is going to be the next one. So I'm going to do a half double crochet inside of it. Like that. This is the next one, so 2 double crochet inside of it, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochets. In the next one, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet inside of the last one. This was the first leaf. Now in the next stitch, which is this one, you see this V shape, I want to do 1 slip stitch. This is how I make 1 slip stitch, like this. You can see some gaps in the middle of the leaf. You see them? I want to insert my hook inside of them, grab the yarn, pull it through these gaps, and make 1 slip stitch. This was the first gap. The next one, again, pull through. Again, the next gap. You see this is where my working yarn is. In the behind of the leaf, 1 slip stitch. Again in the next one, 1 slip stitch. until the end of the leaf. So when you get here, you need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again, I want to make another leaf in here. In the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next one, 2 double crochets in the next one, 1 and 2, again 1 half double crochet in the next one, and 1 single crochet in the last one. Now we need to chain 2, 1 and 2, turn the work, find the first chain, which is this one. So I'm going to insert my hook inside of it, under only one loop of this chain, which is here, 1 single crochet, one half double crochet in the next one, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, in the next one, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet inside of the last one. Now again, we want to connect it. This is the next stitch. I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape and make 1 slip stitch like this. Now again, I want to work on these gaps. So this is the first one. See, this is the working yarn behind of the leaf. Grab the working yarn, pull it through. Again, in the next gap, so when you get here in the end of the second leaf, we want to work on these 4 chains. You see them? I want to insert my hook inside of the first chain. So this is the first chain. I want to insert my hook and make 1 slip stitch like this. Now the next one, you see the V shapes? Slip stitch. Next one. And this is going to be the last one. Now, do you remember this stitch that I told you do not make 1 single crochet inside of it? We are going to make 1 single crochet inside of it now. This is it. Now I want to chain 1, pull it. Now you can cut the yarn. Now you need some knots for here. I'm gonna tie them 2 times or 3 times. Now you can cut the yarn or hide the rest of the yarn inside of the stitches like this. After hiding them, now you can cut them. Now our sprout is ready. You can use it wherever you want to and connect your papers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe down there so you can get noticed if I upload a video, and thank you for supporting me. See you guys.